Let's learn about AlphaLock feature, which enables us to draw only inside the layer pixel, and I show you how to add the texture to the planets. Hey everyone, it's Harini. Welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to use the AlphaLock feature, which enables you to draw only inside the boundaries of the current layer, and I will help you guys to understand the concept of AlphaLock feature and show how you can add the texture to the planets that we created in the previous video. Also, we will start creating the solar system illustration that we will finish by the end of the series. I will link the color palette which I will be using in the video in the description box below to make it easier for you to download them, so check down below for links. Hopefully, if you end up liking this video, then hit the subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get started with the video. In the last video, we have created the background texture, so now let's add some volume to the planet. We will use the textured brush this time. The sand dune brush will be greater, I think. I will increase the brush size. Now to add the texture, first I will pick the center planet color and make slightly darker to get a shadow effect. Move the hue value more to the purple, and here move the circle bit to the bottom. So we get a darker and more saturated purple color. Let's try now. Don't press it too hard, otherwise you will get marks. Just carefully spread the brush across the planet. As you can see now, our texture goes out of the planet and we don't want that. I will show you how to fix it. Undo the last action. This is the way to use an AlphaLock feature. Select the pink planet color, click on it one more time and find the AlphaLock feature in this context menu. Click on it. Well, when the AlphaLock enables, you can see the transparency square around the object in the layer preview. Now, no matter what we do, the brush won't draw outside the shape of our planet. Let's softly spread the texture around the planet to add more volume. I usually imagine the source of light to be in the top left corner. So the darkest shadow of the planet should be on the bottom right side. I will pick even a darker color now to increase the volume. I added bit too much. Pick planet color and make it a bit lighter here. Pick the planet original color and make it lighter. Now add some highlight to the top left side of the planet. I think it looks pretty good now. Also, the other planet can be a source of light as well. Let's pick the purple color and make it lighter and add to the planet here. The same way with the blue planet and the orange planet. That's all with the pink planet now. Now add a texture to the purple planet. I will pick the same sand dune brush again. Pick the purple color. Go to layers. Enable the AlphaLock to the purple planet. Now modify the purple color. Move hue a bit in the direction of blue, and same as before, move the circle bit to the bottom. Spread it on the purple planet now. Increase the color bit harder. Spread it again in the center. Then pick the original purple color. Make it lighter. Move hue in the direction and some highlights now like this. And add some highlight now like this. Don't forget that pink planet can leave some light as well. Now let's add texture to the orange planet. Enable alpha lock, pick orange color, make it a bit more orange and darker also. I will decrease the brush size a bit and spread the texture to make it even darker. And to add a highlight, now pick a lighter color and add reflecting light from the pink planet and purple planet. Let's do the same for the blue planet. Enable alpha lock, then pick the original color now. Move the U in the direction of blue and move the circle little bit to the bottom. Spread the color on the planet again. Choose a bit darker color. Sweep it on the center. Then pick the original color. Move it to the lighter side and sweep it on the top. Don't forget this pink planet can leave some reflection light. So pick the pink color planet, move it to the lighter side and spread the texture at the bottom of the planet. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and do the project, that is to add texture to the planets using textured brushes and alpha lock feature. And send me a screenshot of what you create because I would love to see how you add texture to the planets. If you have any question, remember that you can contact me through my website. Write an email or you can contact me on my social media as well. And I would love to see what you are doing with this and hear what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again next time. Bye bye.